Hey guys, a little update on the Leopard. Today is Sunday, April 9th. Well, I got pretty far. I got the bottom hole and all the torsion bars on. Got the little details, windows. Well, it's back done. I got the top turret done too as well. Most of it. Well, most of it. As much as I can do. I got glass in right there. What I'll do is I'll use some liquid mask to mask it up so when I paint it. I got the barrel done. What I'll do is take care of the seam, scrape it, fill it, get that all taken care of before I put it together. I got all the parts taken care of here. All the road wheels are done. They're all done. They got to be primed and painted. I'll do that soon. And side skirts, can't put them on because if I put them on, I won't be able to get the wheels on. So I'll just tack them when I paint it and prime it. And all the tools, mirrors in here, I'll do all those separate. But overall, pretty sweet kit. She goes together real good, and the pieces do fit together nice. Yeah, it's a nice size too. Pretty big. So, and I got the tow cables done. They give you rope. So they came out pretty good. What I'll do is I'll put them on, put them in the position I want, then glue them down, then paint them up. So overall, it came out pretty good. So pretty sharp. Okay, guys. Well, that's an update. Keep the bench warm. Hopefully, I'll get a video up today or tomorrow. Probably tomorrow. But that's it. Keep the bench warm, and I'll talk to you later, guys.